What's up, guys? Crypto Wolf here. How you guys doing? In this particular video, we're doing the price prediction of Node AI. This is actually a special request from one of my subscribers, so shout out. Node AI is a decentralized platform that provides easy access to GPU and AI compute power. GPU just stands for graphic processing units. So it provides GPU and AI compute power over the blockchain for GPU owners to rent their idle GPUs. So if you have a GPU that is idle, you could rent it and then you could facilitate the payment using the native token, which is GPU. So the ecosystem is Node AI, while the token name is GPU. It has some notable investors such as Harborvest and ROBC Loyal Bank, and they've both invested about $58 million into this project. The native token, which is GPU, which is what you're seeing on your screen, is used for renting nodes. You can rent monthly or you can rent hourly. It's also used for staking, governance within the ecosystem, and you could also earn it as a result of lending your GPU. So the person who requests for it will pay you using the native token. So the token has some very unique features that makes it to stand out from the rest. And one of them is that it has no token allocated to this team. So the team has no token allocation, which is very strange for a crypto project. So it's one of the stuff that really makes this token to be different from many other kind of tokens, and it has a 4% transaction tax, which the aim is to help reorganize the supply. So if you look at this, basically this is the price chart, and we could see that we've kind of been on the downtrend, which is not um which is not new, because literally all the tokens in the market are down because of just the current market trend. The all-time high was around $2.45, which is not bad. The tokenomics, um, it has a market cap of 23.82. It has huge holders of 36.65K for this kind of tokens that is not kind of popular, and it already has this number of holders. That's just to tell you how important this kind of token is. It has a total supply of 100 million, a max supply, and you know how I love tokens that have max supply. I think this is a token I might want to put in a little bit into, based on the fact that I've actually researched it. It was suggested by one of my subscribers. The circulating supply is 98.06, meaning most of the max supply is already out. It's just about less than 2 million tokens that is not yet here, so which is very small. And what's my price prediction for this particular token? Well, my price prediction for this token is $20, because it has everything it needs to get to that price. Because at $20, the market cap will be around 2 billion, if I'm not mistaken. So, which is very reasonable for a token like this. And why do I say that? Because its competitor is way more than this, even with more tokens in circulation, and its direct competitor is Render. Okay, so let's just look at its closest competitor, which is Render, which is $2.88, and Node AI is currently 24 cents, and this has a 1.48 billion market cap. You could see that. So in comparison to this, Node AI is still very much undervalued. And if there is the bull run, if the bull run comes for altcoins and Render flies high, then there is a high chance that Node AI can get to $20. So this is Crypto Wolf. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.